Hi, hello to all. This is DDS. Today I am going to tell about greatness of India. How can I say the greatness of our India? There are no words to say about greatness of India, but I will try to say about greatness of India. Indian culture means treating all the human beings, animals, trees, nature equally. India is the country which has ancient culture that is still alive. The only country which has not occupied any other country. Our country has given birth to great warriors who sacrificed their lives for our country, for our freedom. Different castes, faiths, beliefs, and civilizations came here and became part of our country. Our country is a big country with nearly 135 crores of people. This is a great land of diversity. Living together without differences is in our blood. Even though there is a great diversity, we are maintaining unity and remain one. My country has seen great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Uyyalawada Narasimha Reddy, Alluri Sitaramarazu, Jhansi Lakshmibai, and so many great persons. My country is Dharma land, ritual, holy land. India invented the number system. The value of pi first calculated by our Indians. India is the birthplace of yoga and Ayurveda. The first surgery was made by our Indian Susruta 2600 years ago. Chess was invented by our Indians. Our country is a democratic country. We have solved many problems relating to earth and universe. Any country may hate my country, but my country does not hate any other country. Any country may humiliate my country, but my country does not humiliate any other country. Any country may feel jealous of my country by seeing our development, but my country does not feel jealous of any other country. Any country may trouble my country, but my country does not trouble any other country. If any country is happy, we will be happy more than that of country. If any country is in trouble, we will be with that country. Our Indians think that other countries' difficulties are our difficulties. Other countries' happiness is our happiness. We respect our cultures as well as other countries' cultures. We love peace and people of other countries. Everyone in the world should be fine. We should be a part of that world. Thank you for listening. Jai Hind.